First, I'm gonna start with the spice. So I got some Cajun spice that I'm gonna put on it like that. And some paprika. You know the paprika for the color. And right here, I have the black pepper. So I'm gonna put a bit of black pepper on it too. We're gonna do this stuff quick and fast. Simple meal, some Maggi, chicken seasoning. Get it right. And right here, I got some salt. So this is the wings for the creamy parmesan wings. Right now, I make the creamy parmesan cheese sauce. I'm gonna add some butter into it. Butter right there. Into it. That out of the pot already. And this is the one. Put some salt, black pepper.